Hello, this is Abby Hess, your Inside Strategic Account Manager. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk through Questia MindTap app, which is found in our philosophy MindTaps as well as quite a few other disciplines. To get into Questia, you would just open the little Questia app here, and it would bring you to the home screen. Now, Questia is a research database that includes over 80,000 books and over 1 million articles that students can use in research papers. But beyond that, it also is a writing center that helps students organize, pick ideas, and write their research papers within their class as well. When you open the home screen, you'll see the search bar where I can search for things. There'll also be how-to videos on how to use Questia. If I start searching, you'll see it will come up with more research topics that might be related to what I searched for, as well as all the books, academic journals, magazines, newspapers, and encyclopedia articles that are available for this topic. I can read these right away as a student or get a basic overview of these articles. Note that I can search for peer-reviewed periodicals as well. Besides just being a library database of great content where students can use for their research papers, Questia also includes a writing center that helps students organize their paper. If I come in here, I can work on papers that I've already created, or I can start a new one. Once I start a new paper, I'll just give it a title, and then I'll pick my topic. And then I can give myself a due date for when this paper needs to be completed. Once I've got that, I can start generating ideas for topics, create a thesis statement, or an outline for my paper. With here in the topic finder, I can start searching topics that I might already be thinking about, or if I still need a little help to know where to start, I can use the topic idea generator. This is really great for students who know that they have to write a paper, they might have a basic idea, but they don't really know what might most interest them at this point. So this is a philosophy class. I can just click spin and I'll have 3 different topics come up. I can explore each of these if I'm interested in them, or I can always spin again to get more options. Say I'm interested in philosophy of the mind. Once I click explore, it's going to open up a bunch of books, articles that go along with this idea. I can also again read these overviews, and it'll give me a basic overview of the topic that I'm looking at as well, so that I can get a better understanding of what I'm even searching for. Over here, you'll also see related topic ideas. So if I wanted to write generally about the philosophy of the mind, but then maybe focus a little bit on memory, this is another way to help me kind of narrow down what I want my paper to begin. You can also use the thesis statement starter. What this is going to do is it will give me a couple ways that good theses are organized. I can choose which one I want, and then it'll bring me to a screen where it will really break down the parts of this thesis, so it's a little bit easier for me to understand. What is my position on the topic? What are the 2 arguments that support my position? And what is the main argument against this position? And then I'll see a live preview of what it will look like. Once I've got my thesis statement all set up, I can save that to add into my paper. I also can always look at examples of good thesis statements and bad thesis statements and get tips on what I should do, or watch videos to help me develop an objective stance or consider what I already know about this topic. I can also move into the outline view, which will allow me to start with the template, try an outline starter to walk me through it, or I can create one by scratch. If I go into the outline starter, you'll see it's almost like the thesis starter, where it will really break down each part of my essay and really make me think about it at bits at a time so that I can put it all together easily. I've also got tools to help write my bibliography and videos and quick tips to write my overall paper. Something that's cool within here, instead of just having videos, there's also lecture videos from actual instructors giving students ideas on how to construct these. Remember that in MindTap you can also create your own videos to help students with their research papers or whatever topic you might be working on, and add it right into the ebook or the learning path. This was just a quick overview of what Questia can do, but feel free to dig into a MindTap course and play with it yourself.